Well, today's the day, 680 day. 12 months in the making. It's been 3 weeks since we got here. First thing we said at Finding Joe was, if we fished every week for 12 months, we'd upgrade to a new boat. So I'm at Joe's place now. Go see if I can find him.
It's in the mug.
Joe! This is Joe, everyone!
Handshake.
Oh yeah,
Handshake. You do like a... Yeah, and then, Lawrence, you go to shake my hand, and I need you to use the same footage of him shaking. So it's like Russell Court.
I wouldn't mind coming. There's a reason this guy doesn't come out on trips with us anymore.
Get the car, Lawrence! Get the car! Not his car anymore. Not copping you, bud. Graham. Hey mate, you know what I'm saying. You know where I'm coming from.
I fucking don't. I really don't.
You know how you're looking for something to destroy. You're trying to even the stakes.
See, now I have to up the ante. Now I have to walk behind you, cut a hole in your pants and rip them.
That's okay. I expect that. You know how like you're doing stuff and I'm like, yep, I'll cop that.
Let's expect it.
Yeah, I'll do.
I feel like my face has gone all red.
It's excellent. Just got the hide in the last 10 minutes.
Why though? Why the fuck would you piss on my door? I don't get it. It's like you're delivering.
Now he's sitting there holding his pants together. Just in a state of shock. Four inch it, one hit, ready, that's it. Yeah, you'll tell when we're going along.
Oh, that just made a fucking difference, didn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, you'll see when we're going along, you'll get a rooster tail each side.
Yeah.
And you'll be able to balance the motor.
We're going to the right. Let's not stoop to that level.
Okay.
I can almost get excited I might jump in the water. Hope he does that there, yeah, well, might jump in with a 7-giller. They're like a big kitten, aren't they? According to a certain know-it-all. Who shall not be named. Right.
What am I getting here? Sinkers.
Oh, that's good, because we can reintroduce you to fishing, because it seems like you haven't been a while, you know? You might have forgotten.
I'll show you a thing or two. Face of that. That's the first fucking king from the boat.
Oh! What the fuck?
We bypassed the the isolator and just went from battery to motor. Started right away. And we, all it was the positive terminal in the isolator had a bit of black oxidization on it. So a quick grind up and it was a...
Hold on to what you're feeling. Ready?
Can you please let him go? Yeah, just let him go.
Nothing's happening! I can hear a fish!
There's fish! Grab him!
Next trip, Mornington.
Yeah.
Bit of catch and cook.
Catch and cook.
Right?
That area,
No butter left.
guarantee it.
No nothing left. Just straight in the pan. It's like that time we were got that gummy. That was in Mornington, wasn't it?
Yep.
Should say that time. That last time, not that time. That time says like we don't get them often. Yeah. Last time, not the time before. It was last time. Yeah. Not the 6 footer, the 4 footer.
Oh, just the little one.
Yeah.
They're primo.
Good eating that one. Fucking hell, not even a fucking banjo today.
Yeah, it's pretty sad, isn't it?
Must be something, maybe the moon's off or something.
Something happened.
No one brought a banana or anything, did they?
Banana?
Yeah.
You want to catch one on a banana, do you?
Bad luck.
Oh no.
What? Bananas on boats.
Since when?
Look how fresh it is, it's actually twisting.
That's
Look
good,
how
isn't
fresh
it?
it is.
Still undercooked. I was pissing all the way in.
Oh, we still got bread,
We
so
should bought
Tastes
that
good.
fucking.
we're having a slice of bread with some bit of tartare.
Yeah, that'd be nice.
Bit of what?
If everyone didn't fucking make
Tartare?
Bit of what? Tartare?
Tartare.
How do you call, what is it called? Tartar sauce?
Tartare.
Tartare? He
I
goes,
say tartare.
which is, yes. He goes, could have a bit of bread with a bit of tartare sauce.
Doesn't get much fresher, doesn't it? Oh, fresh fish and bones. That's how small the fish were. Oh, he's been doing it.
That's nice, actually. Very nice.
They're good.
Very next fillet. Hold on.
More butter would have been good.
More butter. Some butter would have been good. Well, who brings like,
Oh! Chris has got a monster, we.
who brings just one teaspoon of butter?
Oh yeah, I did that.
Well, we just bring the whole tub.
I know.